was able to pick up some vintage items. The company I work for does content restoration. If you have a fire or a flood in your house, we come in, your insurance pays for us to come in and gather your contents, inventory them, and determine if they're going to be returned as is or considered a total loss. If it's a total loss, then the insurance company will pay you the amount for that item. So when a client has a total loss on their contents, my boss allows us to have first dibs at the content before it gets thrown away or disposed of. And I was able to get some of these vintage g.i.joe items. Let's take a look at one of the first items I got. I was absolutely stunned to see this in a box. I was really thrilled to keep it. Looks like I'm going to have to add some control stickers and probably figure out how to do a back seat of some sort, because I want this to be able to transport two people. But all in all, it is in a great condition. The wheels look practically brand new. I was just so shocked. I can't tell you how excited I was when I saw this. I asked my boss, I said, "Can I please have this?" Because I always wanted one. There's no cracks, or, well, maybe hardly any cracks. There's a bit of tape. And I was kind of surprised to see that it has suspension. I didn't know that, but I think that's pretty cool. Yeah, like I said, this thing was really clean. I was pretty surprised and just stunned to see it in this box that was of stuff that was to be disposed of. And the modern G.I. Joes fit in it really well. This is just one part of the collection of vintage items I got. I thought I'd break them up into several videos. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed that. I can't wait to work on this and add my touches to it. I think it's going to be a fun project. Let me know in the comment section if you have one or had one, and how you would go about restoring it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click that like button, share this video with a friend, drop a comment. All that kind of stuff helps my channel grow. And don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. I'll see you in the next video.